Hello guys, in this video we are going to initialize a REST API project with the Spring Boot. For that, what we have to do, we have to open the spring.io.start and we have to open this website Spring Initializer. Here we will create the Spring Boot project, then we will import in the IDE and we are going to use IDE STS Spring Tool Shoot, okay, because that one is the one of the goodest IDE for the Spring Boot project. So firstly let it open this website spring.initializer. From here we will create the Spring Boot project, okay, and then we will learn in further video that how to use the Spring Boot project and how to create the REST API. In this video we will just learn how to create the Spring Boot project. So language we will choose the Java and we are going to create the Maven project, so we will choose Maven, and here we will choose the 3.30 version, and we no need to choose the snapshot because this is under development. And project metadata you can choose, and here you can give the ID name anything according to your project, which project we are going to create. So according to that you can give the name, okay. So simply I just give a name code with money and project name is student, okay, and jar and 17 version. Here you can add the dependency. You can add dependency according to your requirement, but we are just creating the Spring Boot project and this is the first step. So just simply we will choose the Spring Web to create the web application, then you can generate, and we can add of other dependency and further time. So according to requirement we will add one by one, okay. We can add and remove anytime. So just simply now I will add only one dependency and I download this project. And now firstly I have to extract this project, and you can store in any folder, okay. Then you can easily import in your IDE, and I'm using the STS ID, so you can see that STS, and here I will import that project which one I download and I created using the Spring Initializer existing Maven project. I have to check next. Now I have to import. So firstly I have to do browse, then I have to go where I downloaded it, yeah, this one. I have to import this, so for that I have to select this folder, then finish it, okay. So you can see that I successfully import this project, and you can see that student name project I have implemented, and I will run it. And this one is the main class, Java main class. From here you can control the all classes. This one is the main class. Let's run it, and it's running or not successfully, so we can check it. So you can see different kinds of folder we had implemented, and this is the pom.xml where we implemented the dependency. So you can see that it's running. Oh, it's showing this problem. Why it's showing the 808 was already used, but why it's showing, because in my system I use many times, so that's why it's maybe showing. No problem, we can change the port number, okay. We can give anything number for the port. So in application.property we can change the port number. Server.port is equal to 8089. You can give 80899090 anything. So just I change the port number. Now I'm running. Now we will see that it's running successfully or not, okay. So you can see that it's running. So yeah, you can see that successfully completed, successfully it's running this project, okay. So in this video only we just learned that how to create the Spring Boot project and how to run it. In further video we will check that how to add further dependencies and how to add APIs, how to run it, okay. So okay, thank you guys for watching this video and wait for the next video. Thank you guys.